social media is a huge part of our lives, right? We use it to stay in touch and find new opportunities. Now, think about using that same power to boost your real estate business. Estate agents, imagine a place where you can connect with buyers, sellers, tenants, and investors all in one spot. That's Real Estate Talk, the new social media platform just for real estate. It's like LinkedIn, but for real estate. This platform from the UK is here to change the game in the Indian property market. Ready to be part of this revolution? Let's dive in. Real Estate Talk isn't just another website. It's go-to platform for finding all kinds of property service providers. Users can search and connect with solicitors, home loan providers, interior designers, or estate agents, and many more. Someone looking for an estate agent can head to the estate agent section of the app and see premium advertisers. If they click on your ad, you get notified instantly. Chat with potential clients through a secure chat system, just like WhatsApp. Real Estate Talk supports a proactive approach. Why wait for customers when you can reach out to them first? Buyers can create specific posts, just like Facebook or LinkedIn, about their property needs. They can specify location, type of property, number of bedrooms, etc. You can search such posts using powerful filters such as location, type, price, bedrooms, etc. and message matched buyers about your services. Reach out and turn potential leads into clients. It's about you searching for clients rather than them searching properties. Create your own posts about your services. Just like Facebook and Twitter, this will appear on the app's timeline. People can like, comment, and share these posts, increasing your reach. Follow up with interested users via chat. Once you sign up, your properties are showcased on the timeline. Just upload your listings and let the platform do the rest. People can like, comment, and share your properties. You get notified for every interaction. Our inbuilt algorithm matches the prospective buyers or tenants and nearby app users. Start chatting with them via our secured inbuilt messaging system, thereby boosting your chances of closing a deal. Want more eyes on your services? Advertise on the app's timeline for a small fee. This puts your services in front of people searching for estate agents. Direct traffic to your website or profile page. See who clicked on your ad and connect with them directly. With Real Estate Talk, you'll never miss an opportunity. Our technology keeps you always connected. No matter whether you are in office or traveling, you can always respond to viewing requests and offers received from customers. Customers can request viewings for a particular date and time. You will get instant notification. You can accept, reject, or suggest a new time directly from the app. Customers can place an offer as well. You can accept, reject, or send a counter offer from the app. Truly a game changer in the property industry. We believe that Real Estate Talk will transform the property industry in India. This platform is more than just a tool, it's a revolution. We're offering Real Estate Talk for free for the first 3 months to early adopters. Imagine being ahead of your competition, having all the tools to elevate your business. Want to be at the forefront? Drop us an email or call us. This limited offer ends in July 2024. Join us and let's revolutionize the property industry. Real Estate Talk, where your success begins.